Okay, this is Gizzard Gary, and today we are going to take a look at the Dyson V7 Absolute Vacuum Cleaner. Let's take a look at it. We have the motor unit. We have the extension so you can use it on your floors. You also have several other attachments. This one, which is for carpeted floors. It is motorized. You also have this one, which is for flat floors. It has a soft beater brush so you can pick up stuff off of like a linoleum or a hardwood floor. Also in the motorized tools department, we have this upholstery cleaner. It has a motor in it, really good for cleaning off a sofa or something like that, or the inside of your car perhaps. And it comes with a crevice tool. And the rest of these tools I'm going to have to post the names because I don't know them, but I will put them on the bottom of the screen as I identify them. Okay, so to attach a tool, let's go ahead and attach the extension to it. You simply line it up here, snap it in, and then it has a connector on the other end. It has a rechargeable battery with a charger. It will last up to 30 minutes on a charge. Light comes on as it's working. If the light flashes, that means it needs charge. Now, as you can see, you have a visible container for your dirt. When it gets full, you simply take it, hold it over a trash can, and lift up on this. That allows you to dump all your dirt out. Push this back down. Close the bottom. You also have a removable dust filter up top here. You can take this out, wash it in a sink, easily replace it after you let it dry for about 24 hours. So this is my charging station. I have it wall mounted. So at the end of the day, when I'm done, or when the battery runs out, I simply line this up, push it up, and push it back. You can do that with the attachments on and let it recharge. It has the capability of storing a couple extra attachments, so I can put this here and put that there, and they will be available whenever I need it. So a very handy vacuum I've had for about 3 years. I use it all the time. I use this to clean all the carpets in my apartment and keep my sofa and everything else as clean as it needs to be. So once again, this is the Dyson V7 Absolute Cordless Vacuum.